Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th Standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see about a new lesson, Supplementary 3, Spices of India. What is spice? A spice is a seed, fruit, root, bark, or other plant substance primarily used for flavoring or coloring food. Spices are distinguished from herbs, which are the leaves, flowers, or stems of plants used for flavoring or as a garnish. Spices are sometimes used in medicine, religious rituals, cosmetics, or perfume production. Short summary of the lesson. Spices of India. Indian food is spicy, tasty, and healthy. It is balanced and nutritious without fat or calories. Curry or sauce is cooked with roasted or powdered mixture of spices, herbs. Spicy food seduces us to eat more. Spices history is adventurous. Columbus went west to find India for pepper but got chili from America. Indians traded spices with many foreign nations along with perfumes, textiles. Ayurvedic use of spices in medicine and in cooking is observed thousands of years ago. People risked their lives to get Indian spices. Cardamom, cloves, ginger, mace, nutmeg are Indian spices. Black pepper, also known as the black gold, was the most prized spice. The Romans sent 120 ships a year to import pepper from India. Cinnamon adds flavor to food and helps to preserve it too. Indian spices. Indian spices include a variety of spices grown across the Indian subcontinent or a sub-region of South Asia, with different climates in different parts of the country. India produces a variety of spices, many of which are native to the subcontinent. Others were imported from similar climates and have since been cultivated locally for centuries. Pepper, turmeric, cardamom, and cumin are some examples of Indian spices. Spices are used in different forms: whole, chopped, ground, roasted, fried, and as a topping. They blend food to extract the nutrients and bind them in a palatable form. Some spices are added at the end as a flavoring. Those are typically heated in a pan with ghee or cooking oil before being added to a dish. Lighter spices are added last and spices with strong flavor should be added first. Curry refers to any dish in Indian cuisine that contains several spices blended together, whether dry or with a gravy base. However, it also refers to curry leaves commonly used in South India. Detailed explanation of the lesson. In India, spices are the soul of food. When we think of spices, we think of tasty and healthy food. Many of the spices in our food are added to balance nutrition and to keep us healthy. They add flavors and nutrients to dishes without fat or calories. Spices like cumin, mustard, pepper, cloves, fennel, cinnamon, and turmeric are very important in Indian food. When it comes to Indian food, the first thing that comes to many people's mind is probably spicy curry. People say curry comes from the Tamil word curry. In Tamil, curry means sauce. It is something that is cooked with a roasted or powder mixture of spices, condiments, and herbs. The mixture of spices can be different in different places. It can be mild or it can be spicy and pungent. Flowers, leaves, roots, bark, seeds, and bulbs are combined in many different ways to produce a great variety of flavors: sweet, sharp, hot, sour, spicy, aromatic, tart, mild, fragrant, or pungent. When cooked with rice, meat, fish, or vegetables, the spices give the dish a special savory taste. It makes us want to eat more. But apart from delicious food, spices also bring to mind adventure. Many of the most exciting voyages of modern history were made to conquer the spice trade and the race to become its master. The colonization of the Americas and Asia had its roots in the spice trade. In 1492, Columbus went west to find India and pepper but ran into America and the Chile. Vasco da Gama, 6 years later, went around Africa to reach Kozhikode, the home of pepper. These voyages ended the very profitable trade that the Arabs and Romans had built up over the centuries. They set the stage for a new world. Okay, children. Next, who first discovered spices? The earliest written records of spices come from ancient Egyptian, Chinese, and Indian cultures. The Ebers Papyrus from early Egypt dating from 1550 BCE describes some 800 different medicinal remedies and numerous medicinal procedures. Okay, children, today we finish off of the lesson. Once again, recall the lesson. Spices of India: tasty, healthy, nutritious, balanced. Next one, Indian cooking spicy, medicinal values. Next, exported spices along with perfumes or textiles. Ayurveda, thousands of years ago. Risk lives to get spices: cardamom, cloves, ginger, nutmeg, pepper, cinnamon. Okay, children, today we finish half of the lesson. Answer the following and mind map right in your English classwork note. First, Roman letter 1. Answer the following questions. First question: why do we add spices to food? Answer: we add spices to food to balance nutrition and to keep us healthy. Second question: which spices are used a lot in Indian food? Answer: spices used a lot in Indian food are cumin, mustard, pepper, cloves, fennel, cinnamon, and turmeric. Third question: which parts of a plant are collected as spices? Answer: flowers, leaves, roots, bark, seeds, and bulbs are the parts of plant which are collected as spices. Fourth question: what are the uses of spices? Answer: when cooked with rice, meat, fish, or vegetables, the spices give the dish a special savory taste. It makes us want to eat more. Fifth question: what happened after Columbus discovered America? Answer: Columbus found out Chile after discovered America. Next one, Roman letter 2, mind map. Some of the answer in the bracket. First question: the colonization of the Americans and Asia had its roots in the dash. Answer: spice trade. Second one, in 1492, dash went west to find India and pepper but ran into America and Chile. Answer: Columbus. Third one, dash 6 years later went around Africa to reach Kozhikode. Answer: Vasco da Gama. Fourth one, These dash ended the very profitable trade that the Arabs and Romans. Answer: voyages. Fifth one, they set the stage for a dash. Answer: New World. Sixth one, dash were always an important part of India's trade. Answer: spices. Okay children, I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. Today's assignment: read and write, given answer the following, and mind map, write in your English classwork note. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Take care children. Thank you.